Hey there, Utah renters. Moving into a new place is exciting, but what about that security deposit? It can feel like a big what if. I'm here to break down what it is, how to protect it, and what Utah law says you need to know. First things first, what's a security deposit? It's not a fee, it's refundable money you pay up front, usually equal to 1 month's rent, right alongside your first rent check. It's due in full before you get the keys or a code to a new place. Landlords hold it as insurance against unpaid rent, damages, or lease slip-ups. But here's the good news. Follow the rules and it comes back to you. So how can your landlord use it? Utah law lets them dip into it for legitimate reasons, like fixing damage that is beyond normal wear and tear, extra cleaning that needs to be done due to not cleaning it properly before you move out, or chasing down unpaid rent and/or bills. But they can't just keep it without notifying you. If they deduct anything, you get an itemized list of what was deducted and the balance within 30 days of moving out. So how do you ensure you get a full refund? Well, here are some tips. Number 1, finish your lease without violations. As per your lease agreement, give proper written notice of your intent to move. Make sure everything you owe is paid. Repair any damage that was caused by you and is not considered normal wear and tear. Clean like a pro. Make sure the home is cleaned in such a way that the next tenant can move right in. And follow your landlord's move out instructions by returning all keys, garage door openers, and gadgets. Sounds pretty easy, right? That's because it is. You just have to follow the rules. Oh, and also here's a pro tip. Document your moving condition with photos. It's your best friend if a dispute arises. Professional property managers will provide you with a move-in evaluation process to follow that will allow you to document anything you want in the property. However, if they don't, make sure to document it yourself and within a few days, provide them with a copy of everything you have documented. So now let's talk about some move out good practices. Haul away every sock and pizza box, or you'll have to pay to have them hauled away for you. And 2 days before you bounce, deep clean the property to move in ready status. And if you skip it or miss something, expect a minimum fee of around $250 for professional cleaning deducted from your deposit. And what about the carpets? Most Utah leases, like ours at Envy, require professional carpet cleaning. So make sure to follow your lease and your landlord's move out instructions properly. When it comes to repairs, here are some quick fixes to avoid any fees. Swap out any burnout bulbs, replace smoke detector batteries, and change the HVAC filters. The big debate over repairs is it damage or just normal wear and tear? Tenant caused stuff like holes in the wall, a broken window, missing blinds, or appliance abuse are deductible expenses. However, normal wear and tear like small nail marks, sun-faded paint, traffic patterns in flooring, or wobbly handles from everyday use are totally off limits. Know the rules and you'll avoid any unfair charges. Another big debate is cleaning. Remember, we are often willing to live in our own dust and clutter, but not someone else's. So when it comes to rent-ready cleaning, follow these tips. Kitchen. Make sure the fridge, oven, microwave, countertops, and floors are sparkly clean. Bathrooms. Toilets, showers. Make sure there's no rings around the tub, and then get rid of any and all signs of hair. Living areas. Dust your blinds and baseboards, vacuum, wash windows, and remove any dirt from the walls. And then your laundry room, clean it so everything is lint-free and dust-free. In the garage, you're going to want to make sure to remove spider webs, clean shelves, sweep the floor, and even power wash the floor if necessary. The rule of thumb is make it sparkle and leave it spotless. If you do that, the inspection will be a breeze. Post-move out. You can expect the property manager to inspect the unit usually within a day or two of you moving out. Then by law, your refund minus any valid deductions hits your mailbox in 30 days with a full breakdown of the charges. Most deductions made are forgotten cleaning, unrepaired damages, or not following move-out instructions. Reach out to your landlord to make sure you know what is expected of you before you move out. There you have it, your security deposit decoded. Clean thoroughly, document everything, and move out like a boss. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.